Hey everyone, welcome back to Codex Academy. Today we are creating a super fun and brain boosting game in Scratch that is Picture Puzzle Game. In this project, we are going to break an image into multiple puzzle pieces, shuffle the pieces randomly, drag and drop each piece to the correct position, and detect how we can solve this puzzle. This puzzle game is perfect for improving logic, creativity, and problem solving skills. So, are you ready to make this game? But before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your family and friends for more fun Scratch games and tutorial. So, let's go! Now, first, to make this picture puzzle game, we need to take one picture and we need to divide into pieces. For that, I'm going to use the Canva. I'm going to open Google and here I'm going to search Canva. So when you type the Canva, you will see this screen. I just right click and open it into new tab. And now you can see the Canva screen is open. To convert the photos into different pieces, this tool is really helpful. Now we'll see how you can turn your photo into multiple pieces. First I'm going to click on create and here anyone you can select. I will select the presentation one and now you can see the screen has been opened. Just click on the element and you can see multiple images get open and also you can upload over here. I will take one image from my upload. I'll choose this image and make its size little big, and this image I want to convert into multiple pieces. For that I'm going to select element and here I will type square puzzles and now I just click on enter. You can see different type of puzzle shapes are open over here. I just click on graphics and I want such kind of square boxes. So I just click over here and you can see there is an option of magic recommendation. So you can choose this one and here I don't want this one puzzle box. I want to turn my image into 16 pieces. So I will choose this square box and I'll make it enlarge according to the image. Now it's perfectly fit. Now how we can convert into 16 pieces? It's very easy. Just you select on this net, choose the color and make it color white. It's very simple. Now you can see it's look like 16 different pieces. Yes, just we have changed the color and automatically it's look like it's turned into pieces. Simply we need to click on share and here we download it as a PNG image where I want a transparent background because I don't want any background over here, and then I'm going to download it. So it's downloading. Perfect. I got my image here. I just click over here and you can see my image is downloaded. Now I'm going to my Scratch screen. So this is my Scratch screen. I just delete this cat sprite. I don't want this. And now I'm going to upload my sprite. Yes. So this is the image I want to upload. I'll take it, select and import. So you can see my image is on screen. Now go to costume and here we are going to convert into pieces. But you can see here is not any background, but the backside you can see the white lines are appearing, right? So for that what I'm going to do, I just click on the fill color, do not choose any color, and now in that white space you can click it. So you can see at the back side also there is no background color. Now this whole image do not have any background, right? Now we need to turn into 16 different pieces. How it will be possible? First I just make it duplicate. Now in the second one what I'm going to do, convert to vector. I just select it and make this image centralize. Yes, perfect. Now this image is centralized. Now again convert to bitmap, select this icon and here I will delete one by one each piece of this picture and I'll select only one piece over here. So I just click on delete, and this line also I will delete. Okay, and this one part also I will delete. Now you can see only one part is left, right? So this part I will give the name 1. And in the same way, I will take all the 16 part as the same position they already have. We will not change their position because we have already centralized the image, and now at the same position we will take one by one each part. What I'm going to do, I just duplicate this image, and now I'll take it over here, and in this image I am going to take only second part. So I will just delete all these parts, and then this one, okay, and this one as well. Okay, perfect. And now I'll give the name it 2. At the same manner, I will take all 16 images, right? Okay, now you will see all my 16 images on screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Perfect. Here, if you want to make your puzzle more complicated, so you can convert into more than 16 pieces. And if you want to make it easy, so you can choose 9, 12, any number you can select. And with the help of Canva, you can make the different puzzle pieces of any kind of image. And if you want the same image pieces, you can get in the description. So you can download it from there. Now go back to coding, and here choose one backdrop over here. You can select any backdrop or you can customize it. So I'll just paint one backdrop here. I'll choose fill color and I'll choose this shade. This color I will change little bit. Yes, this would be fine for me. I'll choose the square one and fill this on the whole screen. Yes, my backdrop is here, and now we are going to create our puzzle game, right? So go back to code. Okay, now the first thing what I want, I just click on the event and take when green flag click, and here I need to create one broadcast, that is start the game. So I will type start game. Okay, and now when I receive start game, I need to make one block. So first I'm going to receive the message I start game, and here what I'm going to want, I want to create the clone of my puzzles. So for that I need to create one block. Click on make a block, and here I will type create clone puzzle. Click on run without screen refresh. Okay, now you can see our block is here. In this block we are going to create clone of our puzzle pieces. Here under this, when I receive start game, I will take this block create clone puzzles. Okay, now first I will set the position of my puzzle, that should be x0 y0, which we have already set, but here just for the confirmation we are going to take this block x0 y0. Here I will take its size to be 100%. If you want to decrease the size, suppose you want to make it 80, so you can see the size of every piece of puzzle get decreased. So if you want, you can do it. I will take it 100%. Next, I will choose height, because I don't want the multiple clones should be created. I want only one clone of my each piece should be created. For that, I'm going to create variables. Here I need two variables. First, clone number, which I need to create clone number. Okay, now here I will set my clone number is to 1. Now the another one variable which I want, that is piece count. And now click on OK. This piece count, it shows how many pieces you have created of your picture. Like here I have created 16 pieces, so I will take this set block and choose my variable piece count, and here I will type 16. And now I'm going to control and choose the repeat block. Here, now this repeat cycle, it should be depends on the piece count, how many times you want to repeat this same action, because we have 16 pieces, so on the basis of that it will repeat. So here I will go to variable and I will repeat the action according to the piece count, right? And now we are going to look block and here switch the costume according to the clone number, because we have not given the specific name to our different costumes. We have given the number, so according to that it show the value, right? And now afterwards again go to control and create clone of myself. Once it gets create the clone, automatically the clone number value should be changed by 1, because we have set by 1 when it's going to select only 1, and then once the clone start created, automatically the clone number should be changed by 1. Okay, for that go to variable and choose change clone number by 1. Yes. Now if I just click on the green flag, a piece of puzzle is hide, right? Now I'm going to control and take when I start as a clone and go to looks and take show. Okay, and you can see all the 16 pieces are here, right? Because it creates one clone of each piece. And then you can see when you solve this puzzle, the pieces will arrange like this. Now we are going to do the coding. When it start creating a clone, how all the pieces go to random position, and you need to drag and drop each and every piece at the correct position. So first I will take this block and put it over here, and now I will choose the random position of each piece, right? For that I'll go to the motion block and go to X and Y. In this X and Y, I will choose random positions. For that go to operator and here I will choose pick random twice. Here for the X, I will choose the maximum value from -240 to 240, and for the Y from -180 to 180. Okay, now just click on the green flag. Okay, you can see how it moved to the random positions, and you need to drag and drop to the correct positions. Now what I'm going to do here, first I want my all piece should be draggable, right? For that go to sensing and here take set drag mode draggable. Now the sprite can be dragged like this. Okay, and then I need to create one more variable, that is piece distance. I want the piece distance should be measured according to its center position. So how much far it will be from its correct position. For that I'll go to variable, make a variable, and here I will type piece distance and click on OK, and I will take this block over here, choose piece distance, and here I will mention the value 500. And now repeat the things until the piece distance is less than 50. It means the piece distance from its center position until it's not less than 50, the thing should be repeat, right? For that I will go to control block and take repeat until. Go to operator block, take less than, place it over here, then variable, take piece distance, and then here repeat until the piece distance not less than 50. It should be wait, because we are going to drag and drop by the help of mouse click and touch the cursor on the piece. For that it should repeat until till the mouse click is not done on the sprite. So for that, go to control, take wait until twice. And in this operator block, take and here two condition. First, the mouse down, go to sensing, take the mouse down, and the second one condition is touch to the mouse pointer. So we'll take touch to the mouse pointer. Wait until mouse down and touch the mouse pointer. The block should not be dragged. And now the same condition we want for not. So go to operator and take not. And this same condition I want here, right? Now I need to create one more block to find the distance of the pieces from the center. For that, again go to my block and take make a block. Here the block name I will write get the distance, and here I'll give the value x1 and then take the input and then get the text y1 and then take the input, and the same way x2 take the input and last y2 and take the input. And here we'll type x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay, our block is ready. Go back to code. So this is our block. Now we want to find the distance from the center. For that, I need to create one more variable, that is distance. Make a variable and type distance. Okay, so the variable is here. Make it uncheck because I don't want to show this variable. And then afterwards take the set block and place it over here. Select distance, and in this I'm going to select the operator block, and the distance going to be measured in square root of x1 y1 x2 y2. For that, choose this absolute of, and here I will choose the value square root because we need to get the distance from the center. Again I need operator block and take multiply by and -1. This one I will place it here. One more time I'll place it over here, and in this I will mention x2 minus x1. Here also x2 minus x1. Make it duplicate, and instead of x2 minus x1 we'll mention y2 minus y1, and here also to find the distance from the center position of each puzzle piece. And now both should be multiplied by each other. So just take one more multiplication block. At one side we'll place this, and another side we'll place this whole block. And now I will take it and place it over here. And now go to my block, and this block I will place it over here. In this we'll set x1 and y1, the x position and the y position of sprite. So go to motion, and here you will place x1 as x position and y1 as y position. Okay, and x2 would be 0 and y2 also 0. Now go to variable and take set the piece distance to the distance. What distance is from the center? Afterwards, once it's reached to its position, I don't want it should drag again because puzzle is get its correct position. For that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to senses block and here set the drag mode into non-draggable. Now it should not be drag anymore, right? Choose motion block. It should glide 1 second to x0 and the y0 to get the center position, right? Okay, our puzzle is ready. Do you want to add some interesting sound while we are playing this game? Okay, so we'll take when the green flag click, go to control, take forever and choose the sound. Which sound you want to choose? Go to loops. I will choose this dance magic. Okay, but it looks too loud. I'll make it soft. Go back to code. Choose the sound. Take dance magic until done. And now for the final touch, what I need to do, here I need to add one square. So we'll see how the each piece get fixed under the square. For that, I'll select my backdrop and here go to costume, and in this I will draw one square. Outline must be 4. Fill color, I don't want any fill color. Okay. And now I'll draw one square. Okay, that would be perfect. Now go back to code, choose the sprite, just check our game. Okay, I'm going to drag the pieces. It should be dragged when it's come to range by itself. But I don't think it's finding very fast its position, right? Okay, let me do one thing. Instead of this 50, I will make it 100. Okay, now just check on the big screen. Click on the green flag. Oh, our pieces are here. One by one, I will place it on the place. Now try, is it drag or not? Okay, we'll take the another piece. Oh wow, see, it's find its correct position, and this one also placed at the correct position, right? We don't need to fix it anymore. It get that place. I think it's not correct place for it, for this block. Try to other side. Okay, see how nicely it dragged, right? And now the another piece. Oh wow, very good. And this one, yes, good. Here you can add some more interesting point, like you can add time limit as well to solve this puzzle. Oh, see, automatically, because we are placing on the wrong place, it dragged to the correct place, right? And here this one I'll drag it over here. Okay, and this one, yes, good job. And this one we're going to place it another piece of side of apple. This one I think. Okay, good job. Yes. And this one I'll place it over here. This one at the top. And now I need to connect the orange. The correct pieces. Yes, good. It's automatically get corrected by itself. And this one also. Yes. See how nicely we have joined our image, right? With the help of this tutorial, you can make as many pieces you want for any image and make your own picture puzzle game. I hope you understand and like this video. If you like, please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends who love the scratch coding. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session. Bye-bye.